Hello everybody, I am back again. Today I am at our new place just cleaning it before we move in. It's really dirty, it's really gross. So I will show you guys everything before I even start so you can see, and then you can see how it will look when we're all done. So it's all hardwood floors except for one bedroom. We need to get area rugs and furniture and all that stuff, which we kind of have stuff picked out, but we need to get everything. We just want to get all this stuff clean before we start. So they painted everything and put the new carpet in the one bedroom, but everything else needs to be cleaned. So yeah, let me show you all the rooms first. This here is going to be our bedroom. There's the window there. Here's like the view from the other way, and then these two closets, the closet with the other bedroom joined together. So that's going to be Amelia's room over there. So there's like racks on either side, and then there's this clothes rack too, which I want to figure out some way to use that in like a not obnoxious way. And then this is like the living area. I will show you from all the way over here. So it's pretty long. So this is the kitchen area, the fridge, counter. Then we're gonna put an island right here. And then this is gonna be our dining area. I have the windows open so you can hear the cars driving by. But this will be like our dining area right here. And then down here will be our living room. So I think we'll put the couch on this side. Maybe we'll put the couch over here. TV over here, rug in the middle. I wanna put my plants like in the corner. Yeah, so we kind of have like an idea of what we wanna do. This is gonna be Amelia's bedroom. It looks super ghetto right now. I'm gonna throw that away and clean everything up really good. And then this over here is gonna be Sophia and Xavier's room, and they have fresh new carpet and their little closet here. And yeah, so that's the little kitchen, and then this is like laundry and entryway, and then the bathroom is over here. And I'm gonna get a new mirror, like a bigger one. And then yeah, this is entry. So it's pretty dirty, but we'll get it cleaned up. Oh crap, I need to go downstairs and get one more thing. But yeah, this is it.